Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tech and Art. Hope you guys doing well. So guys, today we are going to discuss about how to create a database diagram. So in this session I am going to live create a database diagram. I will show you how to do that actually. So before starting the session, I would request to each and everyone, please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to share with others actually. So let me quickly connect my Management Studio. So this step is pretty much simple. Whatever the database required to create a database diagram, sometimes we are getting the request from the app side. We need a few tables database diagram actually. They are doing for the testing purpose and validation for the columns and all. So if you go to particular database and expand it, here you will get the database diagram option. Once you right click on it, it will give you the new database diagram. Once you click on that, so here you will get the all the tables, whatever tables present in that particular database. So you can select the each tables like this and create. You can click on add. So I'm not going to select for all tables. If your request is for all the tables, you can select like that. If request is a particular table, so randomly I am going to selecting a few of the tables like this. Let's say we are going to create this many tables. Okay, so request is to create a database diagram for these tables. Okay, so already I have selected the tables. Just click on add. So in a background, it's created actually. If more table is required, you can select it from again actually. So once you selection is done, you can close it, this one. Okay, so let me adjust these things. Okay, so what I am seeing actually, there is no relation between these tables. So let me select few more diagrams. Okay, let me select the other tables as well. Like that I am selecting actually. Okay, now it's pretty much good. So close this one actually. There is no relation between each tables. So after selecting this, you have to adjust this dashboard. If you can see, there is a relation between the business entity and the business entity contact. So these three tables is interlinked. Okay, for adjusting the table, you need to click here, the right click. Okay, and then you need to simply arrange the table. So this table will be arranged, the graph will be also arranged. Okay, one more thing you have to do it. If you want to adjust, you can extract the size of this table. These are the manual things. You can do it. You can just simply expand it actually. And one more thing, you need to do the setting, right click and zoom. You can also change it. So let me change the zoom here 150. Okay, now the point is how we can share this diagram to requester. So right click and copy diagram to clipboard. Once you do the copy diagram to clipboard, then you need to open your Microsoft Word, go to insert, here the table, insert single table, and inside that you just paste it actually. As you can see, all the diagrams is here. Just zoom it pretty much. If this zoom is not visible, I can see it's visible. Yes, it's a visual. So all the diagram inserted in a Microsoft Word, and this Word document you can save it and you can share with the requester. So through this way you can create a database diagram. Few more setting is there. You can adjust the each tables, arrange the tables manually also according to, if the Word document is not suitable to read, you can do it. You can change the zoom also. If zoom is more required, you can change it the zoom. Okay, So these are the settings. From here you can change it. Okay, as I showed you, copy the clipboard and then paste it in a Word. So here I can see easily we can read it in a Word document. So not required. If it is not required, when you select for the all tables, let me show you one second. Let me create another diagram. I will show you what I am trying to tell you. If you select for all the tables, sometimes request is kind of like, you know, give the all the tables. Okay, so now all tables is here. Okay, now the problem is, if you take and insert, it will not allow. So firstly you need to go do the arrange the table. Okay, and then you can change the zooms 200, something like that. And if you take the clipboard and go to, you know, take the word, another word page. Okay, and if you insert, you have to adjust too many things. Where it went? Here. If you can see, if you extract, it not be readable, I think. So these are the settings. You need to change it actually. If I will zoom it also, it's readable but bit difficult. So while taking from here, you need to adjust. While too many tables is there, then you can fit the, you know, arrangement from the here actually. If the table count is very less, then there is no problem. As you can see, this graph is pretty much good. You can adjust it from the here as well, and you can share with the requester. So this is the way, you know, to how to pull the database diagram. Hope you got my point, what I'm trying to say. So sometimes we are getting this kind of request, you know, pull the database diagram, table structure for the application user. So through this way you can, you know, extract the database diagram. So hope you got my point. If it is helpful, please like and subscribe, and very soon I will meet in another video. Till then, bye bye, thank you and take care guys.